Hey guys, this is Moller from Moller Smokers, and on today's episode we're going to prep this trailer to go with Wheels Barbecue's custom 600-gallon rig that's over here.
Welcome to Building Smokers in Europe, a series where I take you with me on the journey of building my brand, Moller Smokers, from the ground up. Step behind the scenes as I design, build, and refine the most authentic Texas-style barbecue pits in Europe. This is my daily life at the shop, unfiltered.
Alright guys, episode 19. I picked up where I left. The doors are fitted. I made all the frames for the grates. Right now I'm about to install the fittings for the tell-through gauges. And I've also welded these and cut these old ones that were in the middle of the door. And that's not a place where I want to pull from when I lift it up. Tomorrow I'm going to pick up the trailer with my dad. The reason I don't make the trailers myself is because of paperwork. It's, the laws in Europe are not the same in the States. So a trailer manufacturer does it for me. Alright guys, we're picking up the trailer. We're about to bring it to the shop. Well, yesterday we picked up the trailer and now I've welded all the inserts for the tell-throughs and these plugs that I was missing. And I've also installed the main grease drain. I don't know if you can see. Here it is. The smoker is now finished. The only thing that's missing is the firebox door, but we'll take care of that later because now we gotta get working with the trailer. As I said before, I ordered these to a specific trailer builder because it needs to have papers. But I still got a lot of work to do to it. I gotta weld some beams here to support the smoker. I gotta install the fenders. I've gotta paint it all. And I've got to do a little mod here in the back to fit the firebox. And also I just got this in the mail. My man Adam from the UK saw me using my makeshift version on a video and he sent me a real one. So thanks Adam. He's building some really cool Texas style backyard pits. So check him out if you want a cool little pit built in the UK. And they made it guys. We got custom Moller Smokers tell-through gauges. Alright guys, all the trailer work is finished. Now it's time to prep it for paint. Well, the trailer's painted. And I hate painting. Today I remembered why. Trailer is finished. I liked it better raw, but as far as I know, trailers need to be painted in Europe. It's looking good. On Monday we will marry both together. It will be a long day. And that's it for today, folks. You know the drill. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, leave a comment, or ask any questions you want. I'll see you in the next one.